Hello dear friends, on this video I want to show you how to try Windows 11 online. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Then let's start the video. Okay, open your browser, go to the Google engine search site and search Win 11 Blue Edge. Here it's the first link, Windows 11 in React. Open this link and here you are. Your Windows 11 is running. Let's log in. Okay, password for example 123456. Press enter to log in, and now okay, by bottom F11 you can make it full screen. This is Microsoft Windows in React, Windows 11. The Windows 11 Home Single Language Operation System. Here you can test it. The current working applications are Calculator, Edge, Notepad, Store Terminal and others. Here there are the desktop applications. From here it's Start menu, and there are lots of applications that you can try them. In this video we try some of them. Are they working or not? Okay, let's check the others. Here there are, it's Spotify. Oh, it's working. You can find your musics in here. Let's open a store. A store work too, and you can find application and others. Is there anything else from here? Calendar, it's cool, and notifications. Oh, this is really good. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and others, and it gets really more beautiful. It's nice. Okay, let's try some of the applications. Is VS Code working? Let's open it. It's open, and probably we can code and write programs in here. Let's close this and try others. For example, this game. Is it working? Yes. Let's play a bit. The easy one, and let's move cards. Oh, it's working, really working. Okay, it's good. And let's close it. Let's change the background. Here you are, the background is changed, and by this method you can try Windows 11 online, and it's really cool. Okay, it's finished. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if this video was helpful.